Today I received my winch today. This is what do you call this, Smittybilt XRC. This is a 4000 winch. So I bought it on eBay for uh, $98. This is on sale, so yeah. And he has a synthetic rope. So the only reason I bought this because my winch on my feet is I don't know what happened. It stopped working. Maybe it got short circuit on the water or something. But that's 2,500 winch. But it really works well on my car. But you know, I'm gonna upgrade a little bit higher, like this one, the 4000 version. So let's open it. Okay, so we got the instruction manual here. And say keep your winch happy. Okay, and we got some wires here, a lot of wires, and then the control, and this one I forgot what it called. Yeah, then the Smittybilt, this one, and this for the wires, I guess for the waterproof or something. I don't know what it called, but yeah. Then the winch here. Let's see. Oh, it's a little bit too heavy. Okay, so it has a synthetic rope, made in China. So yeah. And then yeah, it's a pretty good winch. And then there's a engage and disengage. So press pull and then engage. Let's move it here. And then I got the bracket here, right here. So I'm gonna use this to to install the winch on my feet. And then I think this one is the control. I believe this is a control or something. I don't know, but yeah. So I can install this above the, under the hood, not next to the winch. So it's a good thing because for waterproofing or something. And then this one is for this two is for the winch, and this two is for the battery. Okay, and then some bolted nuts and more wires. Oh, what's this? And this one, if you want to connect this outside of the car, it's really nice though. Never had this one to the on my other winch. So yeah, it's a really nice, and it's waterproof too. And then this one, I can put this inside of the car, and it's waterproof too either. It's really nice though, really nice. I like it. So we're gonna install this on the feet, and we're gonna test it. Maybe I'm gonna try to get my car stuck, and we use this. So okay, so I designed this. So for the winch, I'm gonna put it here. So it's a steel bumper. It's gonna be a full steel bumper, and the only thing that I'm making this because when I'm going off-roading, the OEM bumper, the plastic bumper, always hit because because of the clearance issues. So at least in here, there's gonna be a clearance here and here, and it's gonna be lifted a little bit up, so it's gonna be good for when you're going down the hill or in the dip, it won't hit your bumper, or you know, something like that. So that's why I'm making planning to make this. I'm not sure yet, but I'm still planning on it. And I know people's gonna say it's going to be heavy than the other one that I made, the current one, the small bumper bar bowl or something. But I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be the same weight as this one I'm gonna make, because I already checked, and I already know what material I'm gonna use to make it same weight as the current one I'm using. So, but it's gonna be stronger too. So we'll see. So I can't wait to do this. So this one is just a vision. So I'm not sure I'm gonna make look like that, but I will try my best. So stay tuned, guys.